As you can see, they're super chewy, they're crispy on the bottom. They are delicious. Today we are going to make the best chewy oatmeal cookies on YouTube. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, this is Emery, that's Aaliyah, and on this channel I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. So today I wanted to share with you a cookie that is just beyond delicious. As always, the recipe will be in the description below, but here's everything you will need. Quick cooking oats, butterscotch chips or chocolate chips, flour, softened butter, toasted pecans, brown sugar, granulated sugar, eggs, cinnamon, baking soda and salt, and some vanilla. We will be using a stand mixer today. You can use a hand mixer if you wish to. Go ahead and put your butter in the mixing bowl. Good? And to that, you're going to add both of your sugars. You do the brown sugar and Aaliyah gets to do the white sugar. Pour it on. Now go ahead and cream that just until it's combined. And to that, you're going to add your eggs, one at a time, making sure you stir in between each egg. Go ahead and scrape down the sides of your mixer because you don't want any weird spots that haven't been combined yet. All right, so now to that, you want to combine your dry ingredients and then add them into your mix, aside from your cookie filling. So no chips, no nuts, but everything else. Go ahead and add this into your cookie batter, which should be very thick. And just stir this on low speed until it all comes together and is completely combined.
Whoa, it's so waddly.
Waddly, is that a new word? So now go ahead and add your vanilla to your cookie batter.
The batter?
Just stir it until it's well mixed. Alright, so at this point you can put whatever you would like to in your oatmeal cookies. Some people like oatmeal raisin, some people like oatmeal chocolate chip, or oatmeal scotchies. Today I'm going to put butterscotch chips and pecans in my oatmeal cookies because it sounded good.
Mommy, chippy.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and grab a cookie sheet that is either lined with parchment paper, a silpat, or is greased. You need some grease for this cookie batter. Then you're going to scoop it by approximately a tablespoon per cookie, more like a tablespoon and a half, a little bit bigger is always better. And then bake them for 9 to 10 minutes just until they are lightly browned. Let them cool just slightly on the cookie sheets and then put them on a cooling rack to cool the rest of the way. All right, there you go. They are my favorite chewy oatmeal cookies. As you can see, they're super chewy, they're crispy on the bottom. They are delicious. Now, when you store these, go ahead and throw a slice of bread in the airtight container that you store these in. The bread actually absorbs some of the humidity and helps keep these cookies very chewy. I hope you've enjoyed this video and this recipe. If you did, you might also like this video with some healthy cookie options right here, so go check it out. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you all thought in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. Have a great day.
Yay! Bye!